Hello dear friends. Do you want to know the recipe for the healthiest bread? Then watch the video to the end. Chia seeds are a natural superfood. They are rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, plant-based protein, calcium, and magnesium. Chia supports digestion, helps you feel fuller longer, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and is good for your heart and skin. Pumpkin seeds are rich in protein, healthy fats, zinc, and magnesium. They support immunity, heart health, and hormonal balance, improve digestion, and promote a feeling of long-lasting satiety. Sunflower seeds are rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and minerals. They support heart and vascular health, protect cells from aging, support nervous system function, and provide energy, improving overall well-being. White sesame seeds are small seeds with big benefits. Rich in calcium, magnesium, iron, and healthy fats, they support bones and teeth, strengthen the heart, improve digestion, and help maintain healthy skin and hair. Rolled oats preserve all the beneficial properties of oats. They are rich in fiber, protein, and minerals, aid digestion, support the heart, provide a long-lasting feeling of fullness, and promote stable blood sugar levels. Chia seeds are tiny but highly nutritious. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and antioxidants. Chia seeds improve heart health, support digestion, promote satiety, and help maintain blood sugar levels. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants, supporting heart, blood vessels, and skin health. Healthy eating and an active lifestyle help maintain energy, a healthy weight, strong immunity, and overall well-being. They reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improve quality of life. Eating healthy bread made with whole grains and seeds supports digestion, keeps you full longer, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and promotes heart health. Let me know in the comments which country or city you're watching from planet. If you enjoy healthy and simple recipes, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your family and friends. On my channel you'll also find more videos with healthy bread and nutritious homemade recipes. Write in the comments which type of bread you would like me to make in the next video, and I'll be happy to prepare it. Let's top our bread with nutritious tuna and fresh vegetables, so it's not only filling and tasty but also healthy. Optionally, you can replace mayonnaise with yogurt or sour cream, but with mayonnaise, the flavor becomes especially rich and vibrant. To enhance the flavor of the bread and spread even more, I lightly toasted the bread pieces in a pan.